Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about drawing a bar graph. So here, drawing a bar graph is an interesting task, but we must choose an appropriate skill to draw the bar graph. It depends upon our own choice that what we are taking for the skill. This skill which we have already used in the pictograph also. There we are taking a picture and that represents some amount of data. Here also we have to select a unit, okay, and that represent a particular amount of data to draw the bar graph. So here is the parts of the bar graph. First, the topmost, it is written the name of the bar graph, that is title. It uses the word keywords that tells what the graph is about, okay, it tells about the graph. Next and second, two more things are there. Here is the line that is known as x-axis. Here is another line, okay, the vertical line, that is y-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis. This line is the x-axis and another line is y-axis, okay. Next, one more thing. In the x-axis I have taken letter grade, that is about the letter. In y-axis it is about the number of students or whatever may be, okay. So these two are known as labels, okay. Whatever you have taken in x-axis and y-axis, that is known as labels that explain about what kind of data is shown in both the axes, that is x and y-axis. In one axis we represent the name of the data and in another axis that is the number of data. For that we use the scale, okay. In y-axis we have used the scale and that represent what we have selected the unit, okay. Unit means here we have taken 0, 5, 10, 15, so gap is 5 here, so we can say that 1 unit equal to 5 students, okay. Here we can say that 1 unit equal to 5 students, okay. And one more thing is about the bars. This is the bars. This represents the data amount for each group. For A group it is in between 5 to 10, so we can say that this one is either maybe 6 or 7. For F group it is in between 5 or 10, it is 7 or 8. For B group it is in between 15 and 20, so we can this one as either 16 or 17, okay. So these are the bars, okay. For each levels we can say that these are the bar and these represent amount of data for a particular group. Next, move to an example. The daily sale of mobile phones in BK production is given below, okay. So here is the table. By using all this data we have to draw a bar graph to represent the data, okay. So here you have given dates and number of phones sold. Monday it is 25, on Tuesday it is 13, Wednesday 32, Thursday 14, Friday it is 42 and Saturday it is 55. By using all this data we have to draw a bar graph. Same as pictograph, just only difference is we have to make bar for all this data, okay. For that we have some step we have to follow that one. So here is the solution. The steps are: first we have to draw two lines, okay, one is horizontal and one is vertical line in the shape of L. In the shape of L, that looks like this one, that is in previous we have discussed. This is the horizontal axis, that is x-axis, and another one is vertical axis, and this is the shape of L, okay. Next one is mark days on the horizontal line, okay, that is in x-axis we have to mark days, okay, and number of phones in the vertical line. In y-axis we have to mark number of phones sold. Next thing is we have to select a unit, take a suitable scale for the number of phones and mark on the vertical line, okay. As we are taking number of phones on the vertical line, so we have to mark the unit, that is 1 unit equal to I have taken 10 phones, okay. 1 unit represent 10 phones in y-axis. Next thing is use the bar of equal width. While we are drawing the bar graph, we have to draw the bar in equal gap, okay, by equal spacing between each bar, and draw them with the frequency given at the same distance. So this is known as the frequency, okay. 25, 13, all these data are the frequency. By using all these data we have to draw the bar, okay. So look at here. And one more thing is the height of the bar tells the sells a mobile phone in Vicky production in each day. Okay, in Monday it is 25, Tuesday it is 13. So each bar represent the number of mobile sales in particular day. As I have already told in our second slide. So the sales of mobile phone. This is the title. Okay, sales of mobile phone in Vicky production. This is the title. This is the x-axis. Okay, we have taken days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, here is the unit. You have to write 1 unit will represent 10 phones. That means here 0 to first gap we have to take 10, then 20. We have to take the multiple of 10 and each gap should be equal. Okay, here we have taken one gap equal to 10 phones. In y-axis we have selected number of phones sold. Clear? So in Monday it is 25. So we have drawn a bar. This is the bar and that represent, this is the bar that represent number of mobile sold is 25, as it is present in between 20 and 30. Clear? Second come to number of mobile sold in Tuesday, it is 13. Okay, so it is present in between 10 and 20. Clear? Next, mobile sold on Wednesday, it is 32. Clear? So it is just above the line 30. Clear? And we have to make the bar, and each bar gap between each bar is equal. Okay, first bar, second bar, the spacing between each bar is equal. Clear? Each bar should be of same width. Next, Thursday it is 14, Friday it is 42, and on Saturday it is 55. Okay, by using scale you have to draw all these. By using ruler you have to draw the bar graph in graph paper. Okay, you have to use 1 centimeter as 10 phones, and here you have to write 10, 20. In this way you have to mention. Okay, so this same bar graph can be made by interchanging the position of the days and number of phones. We can change the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, in place of axis we have taken the, in the x-axis we have taken days, and in y-axis we have taken number of phones sold. We can interchange the data also. Here we have taken in x-axis it is number of phones sold, and in y-axis it is name of the days. So the first graph, that is known as horizontal. Okay, sorry, we have drawn the vertical bar graph, and this is known as horizontal bar graph. Here the bar is in the form of horizontal line. Okay, same as that one, just only difference is we have drawn the bar in horizontally. Okay, in horizontal direction. Okay, this is the x-axis. This represent the number of phones sold, and in y-axis it is days I have taken. Okay, and I have taken the same unit, 1 unit equal to 10 phones. So here I have taken 10, 20, 30. Clear? And by using all this data you can draw all these bar. Okay, that's all. Thank you.